So I know I haven't posted in a little while. Well, we've been dealing with some medical issues, and it's been freaking hot, and we're actually moving up here to the shop. So until our house gets built, the kids are staying in the RV, and me and the wife have decided to make a tiny home. Yes, this is going to be nice. Already wired for electricity. I went and got an AC unit today because God knows we were killing ourselves doing the wiring and starting the installation process, but it's already nicer. But as you can tell, plenty of room, some storage up top, and this is going to be the future home after our house is built of Phil Dirty Vet Garage. And this is where I'll do all my editing and everything else. Well, it's day 2 and all the insulation is up on the walls, so whew, my back is killing me, but we're going to see about tomorrow getting some walls up. So, update. We actually got some more of the walls up on that whole end over there. Got to still put up a little bit of rips and pieces to do the very top, but that's it. And then we've started coming down this wall. So progress. It's hot, it's humid, it's muggy, but we're doing what we can. So one last thing I did today and had to stop because it was too hot in here and it was sitting up faster than I could put it down, is started using wood putty to go through and fill all the nail holes and cracks. Slow process, gonna have to sand everything down, but will be well worth it. Well, everybody, the walls are up. We're waiting to finish the very top. We're gonna do a little more wiring, but it'll work for now. We're gonna start cleaning everything out and, you know, going through and sweeping, cleaning, start moving some of the furniture in. We finish the walls as we go from this part, but we also got a split unit now. So it's very comfortable in here, and I can actually sort of see the finish line. Well, everybody, I know I haven't really done this yet, so let me give you a little bit of a tour of the tiny house, since I haven't really shown anything since updates have been made. So, first of all, as you come in, you see what it really means to live here. Got that AC unit going. But as we come in, got a few moving boxes left to take back to load up some more stuff, but we got the dresser, a little TV. Watch, still got a few clothes to put away. The bed, some curtains up, a couple of shelves up to hold us our drinks for at night, and, you know, my CPAP and everything. Some storage going. 3D printer here, Cricut. All kinds of artwork on the wall now. It's all got to come down when I paint, but heck, we even got working ceiling fans now. So we haven't been quite stagnant on the house, but things have slowed down a little bit on it.